I've been looking for a safe and secure investment offering tax-free growth and tax-free income. Do you have any suggestions?
Yes, life insurance is the world's safest and most secure savings account that grows like an investment that you can put your hard-earned money into. It offers tax-free growth and income, and you can access your money anytime without penalty, yet 99% of the public doesn't even know this asset exists.
Really? I've never heard of that. Is it a new product?
No, life insurance has been around for a long time, but most people don't know how to use it as savings with living benefits because the government places restrictions on the advertising of these products.
Why would the government do that?
Because they won't be able to make a dime from taxes. Life insurance offers tax-free growth and tax-free income, so the government can't collect tax revenue on it. That's why they place tight restrictions on the advertising of this product.
That's interesting. Do you have any personal experience with this type of savings account?
Yes, I've been saving in life insurance for years, and it has been one of the best decisions I've ever made. The returns are much higher than long-term CDs, and the money is accessible anytime without penalty.
That sounds too good to be true. Are there any downsides to this type of savings account?
Not really. The only downside is that the government restricts advertising of these products, so most people don't know about the savings and living benefits of life insurance. But if you do your research and find a reputable life insurance company, you can enjoy tax-free growth and income for your retirement.
Thanks for the information. I'm going to look into this type of savings that grows like an investment, but it's not considered an investment because of the tax-exempt status. Do you have anyone in mind that can help me get started?
Sure, I have the right person for you to get yourself started. You can contact my asset protection strategist, Terrence Thomas, at privateassetprotection@gmail.com. Remember, life insurance is not just a way to protect your family, it's also a way to secure your financial future for generations to come.